The Pintastic Girls! Hi, I'm Bethany.
Hi. I'm Abigail.
I'm Rose. And we're the Pintastic Girls. Welcome to our second week of Disney weeks that we have. Yay. We are so excited. And what are we going to make today, girls?
Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie Pops.
Yes, we're making Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie Pops that you could buy on Main Street in Disney World, right? Mm-hmm. We went there last year and we had so much fun, and now we want to go back, but we can't, and so we're gonna bring it home, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so today's recipe is from charlottebaked.com, and so I'll link that the pin down below, and I will link the website down below, just in case you don't have Pinterest. And if you haven't seen us before, just a little introduction that we go on Pinterest, we find pins, and we try them out for you for the first time. And so we're so excited, right, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we have a hot pan here. And I picked red so it matched Mickey Mouse, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to put the butter in.
Watching.
Okay, now Mommy's going to do this because we don't want you to get burned, okay? And oh, that is hot. So I'm going to turn this down. This is the first time using this hot plate, so I'm not really sure how good it works with it. It's working real good. Mm-hmm. So let's 1/4 cup of butter. So we're going to let that melt in the pan. So girls, while we're waiting, why don't you tell me what your favorite ride in Disney is?
Spaceship Earth.
Spaceship Earth in Epcot? Mm-hmm. And what's your favorite ride?
Like that, do you know like that train ride?
Oh, the Great Thunder Mountain? Mm-hmm. Yes. And Holly hasn't gone yet, but I bet you she would probably like the carousel, right? And Holly loves Minnie Mouse, right? You love Minnie Mouse? Oh, your headphone! Okay. This is melting. And then we are going to melt the marshmallows too. So could you hand me the marshmallows?
Sure.
Go. So this is a whole bag of marshmallows, mini marshmallows, which equals 6 cups.
Can I have that? Can I have that? Can I eat it? Can I eat that marshmallow?
Oh, it fell?
Mama.
So I'm going to mix this until it's all melted.
What does it look like? Whoa! What does it look like? Weird. I can't see.
Come over here. I'll show you.
This is getting crowded. I can see. Okay, how about...
You see?
That's so weird.
Okay, get down. Mommy's gonna mix it. Okay, that is melted. So we're gonna take it off the burner.
Of course.
Oh, remember, we're not going to touch because it's very hot, okay?
Hot.
So let me unplug this and move this.
No, hold on.
No. This is very hot. And move this to the side. Okay, now we're going to add the Rice Krispies. So we have 6 cups of Rice Krispies. And everyone, pour that in. Remember not to touch the pot because it's hot.
Hot to run. Can I mix it? Ooh, Rice Krispies.
Oh yes. And to try to get it as mixed as you can, if pieces of Rice Krispies get broken, that's okay. It's so sticky.
Sticky hand sanitizer.
So girls, what are your favorite treats that we got in Disney?
What treats?
Like food that you ate.
I don't know. Let me think.
think you...
The gingerbread man.
I was going to say, I think you guys
Yeah,
like the gingerbread man. My favorite is the Minnie Mouse candy apples with the chocolate and caramel. That is to die for. My most favorite thing in the whole wide world.
I can't bite into an apple.
And so let us know down below what your favorite treat is at Disney, if you've been there before, or something that if you haven't been, something that you would like to try. Okay, and then we're going to spray a 9x13 pan with cooking spray. I have some coconut oil spray.
Can you taste it?
No.
Good, 'cause I don't like coconut.
So we're just going to spray that down really good. Okay, then we are going to
Put the
Rice Krispies in the pan.
Ah!
Woo!
That was weird. It's like somebody making it exact soap.
Okay.
Rice Krispie soap.
All out.
Looks like something that...
That looks about it.
Yeah.
Now,
That looks like sand. That's
girls.
really sticky. A mushroom.
put your hands out. Ready? You're going to spray your hands
Just scrub it.
with the oil. You ready, Holly? You want to do it or no? Okay. She's not like getting her hands dirty. So we're going to spray it. And we're going to press it down. Okay, press it down really hard.
Oh, it's warm.
Holly, you have to put this spray on your hands if you're going to do it. I'm going to try to get it even.
High.
So when we do the cutouts of the Mickey heads, they're nice and even.
Ew.
Press it down really. You want some more of the stuff?
Sure. But can you give me more stuff?
Yeah, here. Okay. Press it down.
Good. Holly. My Mickey. Holly, please don't Holly.
Are you okay?
I want to go wash my hands.
There you go. You lost him. It's okay. Okay. Pushing it down. Okay, I think that's good. Move your hands.
I need to wash my hands.
Now, in the directions, it says to put this in the refrigerator for an hour. So that's what we're going to go do. We're going to put this in the app. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for an hour, and we will be back. Bye.
Okay, I'll be right back.
And we're back. Right, girls?
Mhm.
So the Rice Krispies, they stayed in the refrigerator for an hour. And it was very hard getting it out of the pan, but I did it. Right, girls?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the next step is you're going to get a Mickey head cookie cutter. We actually bought this one in Disney, but I bet you can find one on Amazon. You could probably find one on the Disney Store website. So what you're going to do is you're going to spray the oil onto the cookie cutter because it will just stick and be a mess. So I'm going to start doing the first one. Or Holly, do you want to help me press down? Here, help me press. We'll all press. Oh. Okay, did I do it? Is it all the way through? No, press harder.
I can't.
Okay, I think that's it. Did we do it?
Did we do it?
Yes, we did. So get this out.
Oh, it's a Mickey.
Oh, look at that. Looks good. Okay, we're just gonna stick it in this pan for now.
A Mickey.
Okay, let's try again. You ready, girls?
Wait, I can't.
And push. Who knew we're gonna get a full workout making this recipe? Okay.
Holly, can you please move? Should I put some more oil on it? A Minnie Mouse. Mickey
Mouse. Here, Holly. What's your name, Rose? Put it there. Am I the only one that calls every child by the wrong name, but their name? Okay, let's do this. Looks like I'm gonna get one more here. Okay. And then we have lots of leftovers.
Can we eat all of this? No, eat all of it or we won't be able to eat it.
Okay. So, the next step is, okay, let's take this and move this to the side.
Oh.
Here, why don't you get a napkin for this video?
Can you give me some?
Want some?
Yeah. No.
Put that down. Okay, next we are going to take
A Mickey?
Mickey head and we're going to make, there's a few different versions on the website of what you can make, and we're just going to do the M&M ones. But you could also do sprinkles, you could just do plain chocolate, you could do nuts, and no, we're going to keep this. Okay, so I'm going to take the Mickey and we're going to dip it, just the top, into the melted chocolate. Right here I have the Wilton Chocolate Pro chocolate melter, and it's really handy to have. I used to work at Joann's before I had kids, and I think I got it on a discount day for employees, and it's come in handy ever since. So I'm going to dip it in the chocolate, pull it up.
Ooh, the chocolate Mickey!
Let's spread it. I think we need a little bit more. Okay.
What did you
And for the chocolate, I just got the Wilton
chocolate pebbles?
chocolate melts.
Ooh, show them. No,
Do a little bit
Holly,
more.
stop it!
It's okay.
Don't take any M&Ms, no more.
Okay. So then, Holly, this is a job for you and for Rosie. So we have the Mickey with the chocolate. Then you're gonna take the M&Ms and put them on top, all over. Okay? Abigail, you want to do the dipping?
Sure.
And I'll do the spreading.
Stop
Okay?
it.
It's okay. There's no fighting in Mickey Pops.
Yeah. Mickey frogs. Frogs.
Make sure you get all over, Rosie, okay? Make sure you get all the corners and everything, okay?
I think I put a little bit too much
Nope,
chocolate on
that's
it.
fine.
Actually, yeah, Mickey needs a lot of chocolate on it.
Never
That's a lot
enough
of
chocolate.
M&Ms, Rosie.
So just wipe that like that.
Is that enough?
That's plenty. Okay,
There.
so here we go. Here's the next one. Okay.
I have chocolate on
Oh, we need another Mickey head. Rosie.
it.
Mickey.
This is beginning to be a mess. I think that's a little too much.
That's
Maybe I should have
Here.
wore a brown shirt today. Maybe I should.
Maybe white wasn't the best
I got it on
color
a
palette.
shirt.
Yes, if you've noticed our shirts, I got a Mickey shirt, and then she has, here, stand up here so everyone can see. She's got the Fab Five on her shirt, and then Minnie Mouse and Minnie Mouse. We all got our mini ears on. Oh, we need another one. Okay, so I have these all covered. I got chocolate on my hand. So why don't you go wipe your hands off? Okay, I'll wipe my hands off. Then we're going to take craft stick, and you're going to stick it in the middle, the bottom of the Mickey head. Push it in.
Hi, stop!
No, she's okay, honey.
What happened?
And then you have your Mickey Pops. So I'm going to put them down.
Ow. Ow.
stick in. It's breaking.
Aw, poor Mickey.
Well, this one will just stay right here. Yeah, I think
And
so.
we can eat that
But I think they came out really cute. I mean, they do have to dry. What do you guys think?
They look great. Yeah.
I mean,
we eat that one.
they're not perfect, but I'd say they're more Pintastic than a Pinterest fail, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well, let's try it. This is the one we'll try. Okay.
Cut his
So let's get the knife.
knife.
Okay. You want some, Holly?
No.
Okay.
Here's the knife.
Everyone get a piece? Do you want some, Holly?
No, please.
Okay, ready?
Hey, I made my own chocolate chip.
Let's try it. Okay. What do you think?
Good.
This tastes really good.
Good. Well, thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching.
Good monkey.
And look forward to a bonus video later on this week, probably Thursday or Friday. And that will close out our the Disney 2 weeks we've had. So please subscribe, please like, and please share. We're so thankful for everybody that's been watching our videos and subscribing, and we are so thankful that you like to watch us, right, girls?
Right.
Okay. And make sure you watch the video that we posted last week, because there is a giveaway. So I will link that down below. So thank you very much, right?
Bye.
What do you say, Holly?
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.